We are now live. So we're live on my latest listing at 1727 Lacassie at Unit 5-8 in Walnut Creek. Also with Valen, a teammate. Let's go take a look at this unit real quick here. So, camera around. This is the unit right here. First thing we want to take a look at is this gorgeous view. This is a 5th floor penthouse unit. Top floor, north facing. We're actually 2 blocks away from the BART station right there. You can see the station, and hopefully we'll be able to see a train coming very, very soon. Downtown Walnut Creek is right there, and in fact, the butt end of Target is right there. So we're right behind Target. And there's Ignacio Valley Boulevard at North California, main intersection of Walnut Creek. This unit is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Built in 2015, penthouse unit, listed for $1.250. Let's take a look at the rest of it. We've got nice big refrigerator, luxury style, brought to you by none other than Miele. All Miele appliances, Caesar stone tile, German cabinetry, nice storage units, gas cook range, beautiful glass tile, glass subway style tile. You've got your oven down here, and your island has got the microwave, little breakfast nook, pantry closets, and that's our coat closet / storage. Nice laundry closet here. Laundry units do come with the units. And then you've got some laundry storage up there. This unit's got the tankless water heater inside the hallway closets. Modern style thermostat. Of course, it's built in 2015, so it's gonna have all that stuff. You've got a little bit of modular cabinetry in the bedroom. Walk-in closet over there. Here's another great view. Still no BART train, but hopefully it'll show up very, very soon. Maybe we can see out the next window. There's the BART station again. So you can almost see when the train comes and run for it, if you're a fast runner. Lots of plugs everywhere. Here's our bathroom. Standing shower. This is in the hallway bathroom. I really like these small storage cabinets here. Instead of pulling forward out, they actually pull down, so it's a little bit more compact. Kind of cool. German cabinetry in the bathrooms as well. Here's our walk to the master suite. Pretty big. You've got one closet to your right and a larger walk-in closet to your left as well. Little nook here for an office desk or entertainment center, something like that. And then you've got your large master suite bathroom. One sink, although I think maybe you could actually, I don't know if you'd want to put 2, but might have room for 2. Unit sold recently that had a marble overlay on this sunken tub, but this one has got the original Caesar stone, original standing shower, glass doors, glass walls. And here's another great view. There's the BART rail again. This is our west facing view. Out the front is a north facing view. There's the freeway, actually. The 680 freeway is right up against the bottom of those hills. That will take you to the 24, that will then take you to Oakland, or down the 680 to South Bay, Fremont, that direction. Obviously, if you go north, you're going up towards Concord, Antioch, Martinez. So very, very centrally located. We are about 2 blocks away from the downtown North Broadway and North Main. So you can get to walking to the Restaurants on a Friday night, very, very easily. Clubs on a Friday night, very, very easily. You can walk there and then walk back home after you have had a lot to drink. This is a great place for a lot of San Francisco commuters. You get your metropolitan nightlife away from San Francisco, but you can very, very easily commute back into the city if you need to, things like that. Very, very well connected with the BART rail. And there's trains running about every 30 minutes or so quite frequently. Obviously, you've got the transit system down here on the streets as well. Buses, Uber, Lyft comes out here all the time. And, well, I'm not seeing a train, but it should come very, very soon. Let's go back out to the front door. This unit is, how many square feet is it? I can't remember. 1,490 square feet, so pretty good size. I think this house is actually bigger than my house. Very, very spacious, high ceilings. Got a lot of good light coming in. These windows can all be opened as well, so you can get a good cross breeze coming in as well. Step out to the patio real quick for a second. This is our north-facing view. You've got a lot of brand new developments like the Riv on the other side of the BART station. Penthouse units over there are going for over what we have. Oh, there's the train right there. Train coming in. To our east is more downtown view. You can actually see Mount Diablo from very, very edge there. There's Target down there. Target, where you're shopping. And this is our unit. 1.250. We're having open houses this Saturday and Sunday. Come on down. Thanks. Bye-bye. Like that.